Hi everyone, I'm here to do a review on the Ninja NeverDull 12-piece knife set. What I love about this, aside from the simple fact that it's got a built-in sharpener, is the fact that it still keeps it amazingly sharp, even having this product for 2 years. And what it comes with is you got your 10 knives, or in my case, I've got 9. I lost one. But it comes with a 8-inch chef knife. Again, this is German stainless steel. It's heavy. It's got a nice weight to it, so you can get some nice chopping power and a very comfortable grip. I love it. But here's your 8-inch chef knife, your 5-inch Santoku knife, or your basic chopping knife, your 5-inch utility knife, your 3.5-inch paring knife, your 6, or in my case, 5 steak knives, and your pair of shears, which is very nice because it comes apart easily for easy cleaning. And then these are always fun to put back together. And there you have it. Now again, you also have your built-in sharpener, which on the side, it gives you some instructions. I just keep it in here for anybody else. But it's extremely easy to use. You just push the knife in all the way. Doesn't matter the size. A steak knife, push it all the way. Even the 3.5-inch paring knife, it fits perfectly. So we will use the chef knife. Now on the side it says 10 times. Okay, I like to give this a little rinse. And you can tell how sharp that is just by the sound. Easy cut. Not even trying, really. It's simple. Here's an apple. Cuts right through it. I love this product. Absolutely love this product. Just for how easy it is to keep your knives always sharp. Again, I've had this for 2 years. I could throw this in here, 10 swipes, and you've got a very almost brand new knife right at your hands. Another thing that's nice about this is at the base of the knife block, there's these little suction cups. So your product isn't gonna, your knife block isn't gonna actually move on you, which is very nice. I love that part too. And there you have it. So the Ninja NeverDull 12-piece knife set. It's amazing. I've had it for 2 years and I love it. It's extremely dishwasher safe and always sharp. So 5 out of 5 stars, definitely. Don't hesitate to get yours today. Highly recommend.